Hey friend, here at ConvertKit, our mission is to help creators like you earn a living online.
We believe in you and the power you have to do work that matters and create things that can change the world. But we know that bringing those big ideas to life isn't always easy. In fact, it can be a little difficult.
So we want to help. This April, we're celebrating you and all of your hard work with the 30-Day Landing Page Challenge.
To help you kickstart your dream, we're giving away a grand prize of $5,000, a free year of ConvertKit, and a year of coaching with one of our account managers to a creator who can set up a landing page that grows your email list by more than 500 subscribers within the month.
We're also giving away more great prizes like Amazon gift cards, more free years of ConvertKit, and some serious cash prizes.
We just launched a bunch of new, beautifully designed templates inside of ConvertKit to make creating a landing page really fast and easy. Let me show you. I think this one is my favorite right now. All I really need to do is change some colors, add a background photo, and put in my copy. With these templates, you can literally create and have a landing page live in less than 10 minutes. So, do you have your next landing page idea ready?
The challenge starts April 1st. All you need to do to join is create a landing page in ConvertKit, share it with the world, and get as many subscribers as you can by April 30th. Then, we'll draw 18 winners based on subscriber amounts.
And I'll be hosting 5 live trainings throughout the month to help you all along the way with getting your landing page set up and growing your list.
So what big idea are you ready to share with the world? Sign up for the 30-Day Landing Page Challenge and make your dream a reality. Good luck!